If you subscribe to a QuickBooks Online payroll service, QuickBooks Online prompts you to add employees as part of the payroll setup process. You can also add employees after that, as shown in the earlier lesson titled Adding Employees to the Employees List from the Using Pages and Lists chapter. To edit the employee information after that, click the Employees link under the Payroll app in the All Apps bar to open the Employees page. Then, click the name of the employee to edit within the Employees list in the Employees page. This then shows their employee information on the Profile tab. Click the Edit link in the upper right corner of the Personal Info, Employment Details, Tax Withholdings, Payment Method, Base Pay, Additional Pay Types, Time Off, Deductions and Contributions, or Emergency Contact sections to open a window that shows that information. Then make your changes to the employee data and click the Save button to save it. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.